Are you curious about the best options for privacy focused operating systems? Today, we'll compare Tails OS, Qubes OS, and Whonix. Each of these tools aims to keep your online activities safe and secure, but they do it in different ways. Tails OS is designed for anonymity. It runs from a USB stick or DVD and leaves no trace on your computer. This makes it great for anyone who needs to use the internet without being tracked. It uses the Tor network to help keep your identity hidden. On the other hand, Qux OS takes a different approach. It uses virtualization to create isolated environments for different tasks. This means you can run multiple operating systems at once, keeping potentially harmful activities separate from your main system. It's a good choice for advanced users who want extra security. Whonix is another interesting option. It is built on top of a virtualization platform like Cubes, but it focuses heavily on anonymity. Wonix uses two virtual machines to route your internet traffic through Tor. This adds an extra layer of protection, making it hard to trace your online actions. When we look at the main differences, Tails is for quick, anonymous browsing. Cubes is for users who need strong security through isolation. Onyx is for those who want maximum anonymity while still using a virtual machine. In terms of features, Tails is simple and user friendly, perfect for beginners. Cubes offers advanced security features but has a steeper learning curve. Wonix is also complex but excels in privacy. Pricing is straightforward. Tails, Cubes, and Honix are all free to use, which is a big plus. So, which one should you choose? If you need quick anonymity, go for Tails. If you want strong security and don't mind complexity, choose Cubes. For the best privacy, Wonix is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech content.